Thank you guys. Sige.
Thank you guys from my presents. And then we said happy birthday. Thank you.
Sige. Read mo muna yung gifts bago may open.
This is say to Ate Sandra, happy 6th birthday. Love Papa, Mama, and Joshua.
Okay. Sirain mo na.
Yeah.
Sige, sirain mo na.
My box. What's a box for? Play-Doh? Later I'm gonna open the box, Mama. Because maybe it's Play-Doh and it's gonna be super. Wow! This the Play-Doh because it says this. See, guys? Just need to take this off. Later I will open this box because this is too color. Maybe it's not wrapped in a plastic. So later we're gonna open this, okay, Mama?
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna put this at the back.
Next.
Okay. This one, it says from Alice. That's so short.
From Ali.
From Ali. Mama, hindi sisirain or sisirain.
Wait lang. Okay.
So here I open it with my mom because I don't know how to open it. And I'm gonna put it later. I'm gonna open it.
Tingnan mo na. Tingnan mo yung loob, anak. Open na yan.
Sirain.
Hindi. May tali.
This is the one.
Open mo yung bag.
I know how to do this. I even already have.
Another color na.
Yeah, it's black and nothing. Oh my God.
What?
What's inside?
Wow, may money. Thank you, Ali. Sige.
Thank you, Ali. If you watch this video. Next is this one.
Sige. Basahin mo muna.
Happy birthday, Sai. Love, McCoy.
Sige.
Bakit yung heart love?
Yeah. Kaya mo?
Yeah. Right. Whatever. Oh my God! But it's not super fun to play.
It's fun to play with, anak. Ang ganda. Pwede mo i-cuddle. Thank you, Makoy.
Thank you, McCoy, if you watch this video too.
Dito na, wag mo na ibalik.
Okay. Next is from Jake. So it says 7 Jake. 2 sides up from Jake.
Bautista.
Bautista. Tape again. Not tape again. Me again. Sorry about that. I'm thinking what I'm. It's like a, what is this? What is this?
Let's open. Damit.
You, Jake Ashton. He's even Action. I know you're Jake Ashton.
Astin.
Okay. From Sia. This is 2 side from Sia. That's so short too. That's so short. You can help me.
Yan, pwede mo sirain yan, be.
I like it. Yeah.
Sirain mo na yung paper.
Okay, guys. I hope you'll go to my house.
Wow.
Even if it's open, it is super. from Chloe, my katabi at school.
Mm.
It says, to Saifay, happy birthday from Chloe. This is so fun. Play-Doh, and I cannot get it up. But thank you, Chloe. It's so cool. I can't wait to play it later. Okay,
Tanggalin na natin.
this is the one. This is the one that I like too. Even my mom and dad have Play-Doh. Did you remember? I got two Play-Doh.
Are you happy?
Yeah. So this is, it says to Sai Sai, happy birthday. What does it say?
Love Sari.
Love Zaddy.
Sa kanya rin galing yung colors, baby, yung kanina.
Yeah. It got you.
Wow, so cool shoes. Pwede mo gamitin sa school.
Oh my god. Look at this. There's another thing.
Wow, colored
Yeah,
pencil.
color pencil. Oh, I think I need to renew my pencil case.
Wow!
Okay, guys, wait for me. I'm just gonna put this.
Sabi mo? So
I
cool.
said
So cool?
so cool, yeah. And I like it so much. And I'm gonna, whatever who has more shoes, I want the Kukulaya guys. You know, here when they go.
Okay. Thank you, Sari.
Thank you, Zoe.
Next.
I like it too. Next is
Kanina.
it's Frederick's Sky. It says happy birthday, Sai Sai from Sky. Sky? I know there's no sky. It's only Frederick's Sky.
Yun ang nickname niya, baby. Sky.
Oh, Frederick's Sky.
Need help?
No, thank you, Mama. I just can't now. I wonder what it is. Oh my God!
That's it.
They got me some clothes and
Wow, panty.
super cool.
Wow! What's
I
that?
don't know. Whatever this is. Cool.
Ay, funny rings. Maganda yan, baby. Shoot mo yung rings dun sa tower.
I think I remember this. Is
That's
it
cool.
like a unicorn game?
Ano?
So I'm gonna put it here to next one. And next we have a bigger present. It's so big. It doesn't say anything.
Ayun, no?
It doesn't say anything. Don't get what I don't know what it says.
Happy birthday, Sai Sai from Ate Shin.
Shin, my present. She brought me a big present. Maybe it's a big.
Help kita. Ah, sige, ano yan?
It's so good. And oh my gosh, a big dog.
Wow!
I think they're rich.
Mm-hmm.
Are they?
Yeah.
In the clothes.
Wow, may damit ka pa. Sexy! Color red!
It's my favorite color. Did you know my favorite color?
What are you going to say to all of your visitors? Everyone who joined your birthday from yesterday, and also to Mami Sha and to Mamsi and Papsi and Tito Nila and to everybody. What are you?
Thank you, everyone.
I'm happy.
I'm happy to my birthday. Even the gifts are super cool. Even I like the Play-Doh.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
I'm 6 now.
I'm 6 now. I'm taller than you, Ethan.